How can we flexibly and efficiently achieve vacuum sealing of containers? Semi-automatic double-chamber vacuum sealing machine. While one chamber is being vacuum sealed, the other chamber can be manually loaded and unloaded, resulting in virtually no waiting time and significantly improved efficiency compared to a single-chamber machine. Place the container and lid inside, press the button, and the entire process of vacuuming and sealing will be completed automatically. High vacuum level, reliable sealing, perfectly suitable for sauces, meats, seafood, and other food products. Dual chamber drive, combining efficiency and flexibility.